Last time on Life with NIQUE.
Some people when don't know you from nowhere will help you argue the brain. Trust me. You know, say enough to cheer on my next man thing about mine.
Yeah.
So that's why I just done with it and say, yo, you know what I said? You not even have to say that because who are support and who are share or whatever, how them support, them know some of them like that.
No, yeah, right. Yeah, guys, don't mind me. Oh Lord, girl, NIQUE looking rough. But anyways, yeah, I wanted to just really speak on. I wasn't gonna come on camera, but guess what? I really don't care. I am what I am. If you don't like it, too bad. Anyways, so when it goes back to saying like support, a lot of people feel like, oh, because I'm a makeup artist, they feel like, oh well, I'm your friend or your family. They because I'm no, scratch that. Them feel like because they're my friend, them are your friend or your family, they shouldn't have to pay you, or they feel like they can always just come and get free service. Now that right there, nothing is wrong with that. And if I feel like I want to do a service and not charge you, then that's up to me. But I am not obligated because you're my friend. I am not obligated because you're my family member. I'm not obligated. You understand me? And it's sad that people would think that I am because of that, because of those two titles. I'm not. And it's so crazy because if I have a friend or a family member that has a business, makeup, hair, nails, whatever, it could be whatever business they have, right? I would want to pay the full price because same way, oh, I can't take up that money and go give to a stranger. Why can't I give it to my friend or my family member? Why do I feel like I always need a discount? I don't always need a. You can't go to a stranger or a salon or wherever and demand a discount. You cannot do that. It's not going to happen. You understand? So why I feel like say it would take it so hard to take up that same money that I would give to a stranger and give it to my friend or my family member? Why would I want to put that money in their pocket? Why? That's how I look at things. Now, if my friend or family member say to me that, oh, I want to give you a discount or whatever the case may be, then that's cool. But I'm going to always go with my money, and I'm going to always be ready and prepared with my money because that's what you're supposed to do. People get it mixed up. Business, friendship, and family are three different things. You can't mix business with friends. You can't mix business with family. Period. It just doesn't work out unless you have a really great family or great friend or whatever the case may be. But I always see things don't work out when it comes to business and family and friend. So I try not to even get in that mode or whatever the case might be. By all means, I always look out for my friend them. And if my friend them come to me or my family come to me and say, Jano, you know, so not now go on, but me need forgot this event, and me need a face beat, and me need a wig for put on, or whatever the case might be. Yeah, me can't help them out. But you guys have to also realize that when you go to people for service, they're using their products. They have to pay light bill. They have to pay rent if they're renting a certain spot for their service. You know, people pay for the products that they're using. It's not just, oh, you come in the, y'all don't think about all that stuff. Those stuff I have to pay out of pocket. When I provide a service and I provide products, when clients come, they don't bring a thing. I provide everything. So support, you know, that person and put money back into their business, because they remember they have to still buy stuff. So, you know what I mean? Support goes a long way, and it goes in many ways. So it's not just one way you can support. There's many ways you can support. But anyways, back to RASHKAMAR and him big apple.
Yeah, big apple.
Big apple.
Look around the back, careful. So that's how the power card come.
Okay. Oh, so that's you plug in the car.
Yeah, and then see, look right here. You see this?
Okay.
You know what I mean?
Okay. It's nice, baby. I love it. Nice.
Yeah. You know what I mean? So you plug in where you plug in, you know? Yeah. Alright then. For you turn on, look. Turn on the keyboard right here.
Oh.
Yeah, turn green. Pan green. See?
Yeah.
Yeah. Then.
You turn on. You know what my light bulb is?
And then the rat. You turn that too.
It's a turtle.
So it's on and on.
Do you know what my love bulb is? Yeah. Everything are wireless.
Okay, and then now, if you charge it now, this charge the keyboard. Yeah, with a regular block, where your iPhone come with also. Yeah, and it charge the rat. It charge the rat too.
Oh, the rat.
Yeah.
It's a turtle to me.
See right here. Yeah, it charge the rat too.
It's a turtle to me because look, that's the shell and then the inside is.
So now, turn on.
Voice activate. Turn on.
You move your head out the way.
Alright. Alright.
I might be getting at the probably be getting at the
It's bigger than
the Apple screen.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Come just like the laptop with language and
yeah.
even the iPhone same
setup.
Same setup.
Yeah, man.
Not different.
Not different from that. So.
Yeah.
Yep.
So see that even the screen I show you how to turn on the thing. See? I'll show you if it do that. That's what I show you all ago.
Okay,
yeah.
Yeah, man, nice, man. So it's a RASHKAMAR 2021 turn up this year.
Yeah, man.
Alright. Yeah, guys, you heard that? And guys, I'm so sorry. Like, I haven't really been posting.
See it, baby?
Well,
same thing.
okay, yeah.
So I just like an iPhone you buy, just like a laptop you buy. You know what I mean?
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Yeah, she like
Siri loud in here?
Yeah. And she can't turn up more than that, you know.
Siri, I forgot to start parent. You're too loud in here.
So you don't know the thing set already, you know. Yeah. So I work. No, don't do nothing. I'm not doing nothing.
So work thing, you understand me? I say?
This, look here, if this don't have iPhone, I don't want to trouble my things, bro. You know what I mean?
What
you know what I mean?
I won't want to trouble him things. So yeah, baby, I'm happy for you. I'm not lie. I'm happy for you. You ready for turn up a thing now?
Yeah, man.
You have your equipment them. All of your thing them.
Yeah, I have equipment a long time, you know what I mean? Well,
the man all have him running. Down there, sir.
Yeah, we're running, yes.
You see it? Cinematic.
Yeah, man.
Content we are bring phone now. You understand? So yeah, we just
the chair I found.
Oh yeah, we ordered the chair, so we're waiting for the chair to come. It hasn't been shipped yet, so we're waiting on that. And I chair that for now, because what ya? Because you know say you're the only person have Apple chair.
I walk. Oh, they're not even feet good neither.
Yeah. You're the only person have Apple chair, and I mean never that chair that bad. Me never see that chair that before. Me like that chair. Watch your arm, me can't sit down on it to them all and leave space for me too.
Yeah.
What?
See that, daddy?
Yeah, man, the chair bad, babes.
Sonny boy.
Only one in the world. Exclusive. But
Apple actually has like Apple have wheels, so like something you can attach it to it and it can like roll around and stuff. So what I'm guessing is that with the Apple wheels you can just connect a chair to it and then you have an Apple chair.
Oh, people, I forgot to tell you now. The morning when them send me the email said the Mac ship out. This a man, yeah. Yes, that the one over there with the hoodie. I gonna come kiss and a hug. oh, my baby's coming, so I gotta give you all the kiss and hug from now, because when my baby come, I don't business with him, not business with me. You saw them, Brittany, sir?
Who do that?
I used to say, really not business with me for true. Me on the top, but him not even turn around. Wanna see?
Who do that?
Who else but you?
I don't know.
I can't kiss what about. Get all of your kisses them in from now.
Where's that? Where's that, Daddy?
Look for Jamaica.
Jamaica to the world. Big up, bloop, 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 bloop. But yeah.
RASHKAMAR promotion.
The man bright, you see? I could compare me to computer. I'm platinum girl. This can't compare to me. Right. But yeah, people. When you know, say at the end of the video, this guy, you know, say that man, you're not even paying on mind, him gone on him thing.
No, man, I try to set up. Yeah, sure it. I don't tell them how to thing there.
Them know how to set up a computer. Them don't need to see all of that. And then you're going to put personal information too. So you don't need to record that. But yeah. People, make sure you go follow the hubby at RASHKAMAR Entertainment. All the links will be down below in the description bar. Make sure you follow him. If you're in the Houston area and you're having an event, you guys can book him as the videographer.
Come, my funny boy.
So make sure you guys check him out.
My two baby.
So what about me?
Eh?
What do you mean, What about me?
Right? Right, Sonny? Right, Sonny?
You know, say you and your Mac asleep out the door?
And my son, you sleep with me at the door? You're not leaving.
The cat go. So you were planning on letting me use it?
So you have to learn. I not tell yourself you just go upon it, so. But
you have to have supervision because you mash up.
Yeah.
Things are pressed, things are enough for press.
Yeah, okay. And then my old Mac.
Them old Mac.
Yeah. Check down upon me like a JBC. But
I
I say things
need to learn how to use a computer because I don't.
Where's my laptop?
Yeah?
Where's my laptop?
Oh, me not. It up on the bed.
Give him it.
But me not want it on my desk.
Yeah, it don't go there. It's going there.
No.
This make this off, man.
Don't play with me. Before me take out the iMac desk and everybody out here.
You know, she said that a bad girl they are pretty and rough, me no afraid.
So shall I go on, Dad?
You guys know I wouldn't do that. I love y'all. I wouldn't do that to y'all.
Yeah, man. So that's I go on.
So that's this, that on that.
Thing them and then, you know what I mean? Because I'm not done all now. What I tell you? I'm not done. Because remember, I have to go buy there. No, I'm not going to make a cup on the end.
You have a couple more like stuff you have to get, right?
No, I have to buy the software.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
It's $300.
Yeah.
I know I $300 tax because I was $299, so you know, so I $3 enough.
$300 is way more.
Yes, so that's how I think that, man.
$300 is.
So me I say, alright then. This for the video or what? No matter quarrel. You understand? So much money me have to put in. And a business. If you're willing to in the business, you have to put in the money. You know, come back 1 day, 2 days, but it take time to come back.
Right.
Come on, man. Me charge you. Just tell me, say, boy, you know, say, boy, can't do something better. We talk about it, but don't tell me for just pass through. Pass through what? If me pass through at the party, me
pass through and come drink and go my yard.
Yeah, me I come party, me nah
$300 is way.
Me nah pass through just to come take 2 picture or video. You can imagine the whole night me depend.
No.
Nothing at all.
But you know what's so funny?
The phone on charge, daddy.
Nobody don't give nobody nothing.
What you show me?
So it's like
$300 is way much more than that.
So what that have to show me? Where you show me? Where you say? Me not for buy me software, me for buy your skate foot shoes.
No, I'm just saying.
No, but listen, alright. If I buy this for what, call it $53. Your skate roll, me not make no money, but I buy me editing software for $300. Me buy the money I can buy all. How much foot you have? 2. So we can just buy a pair. Or you want to set so one night one for the answer.
what is? Yeah, but
alright. Yeah, not say nothing. Yeah. Like, share, comment, everything.
Yeah.
Share it to your father, your mother, your sister, your aunt, your niece, everybody.
Let them know, baby.
Yeah.
Your pet goldfish.
Whatcha?
Everybody. Yeah.
Okay. All right, guys. So you guys watched. Wait, no. You guys watched RASHKAMAR unbox his iMac. There wasn't really much to unbox. I can't believe that it's so easy.
No, it's Mac. You don't have no only thing. But I remember if it's a PC, you know you have the tower.
Yeah.
And the this and the that. No, it's a all-in-one. This, you know. So it's just like a laptop, just like an iPhone.
Go again to the computer. I'm gonna take a thumbnail. Move your hand. Go back. Put your hand lower. Don't block the computer.
Oh.
Yeah. Right. That's a
Yeah.
steer. That's a.
Just like an iPhone, just like a laptop.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
Wait, we're not done. Guys, comment down below. Comment down below if you like RASHKAMAR's new gadget.
Yeah.
And yeah, guys, make sure you guys check us out on social media at RASHKAMAR Entertainment, at First Lady NIQUE, at Face Beat by NIQUE, at Adore_Devo. All the links will be down below in the description bar, guys. So this is just the beginning, so we can get some great content out for you guys. So you guys just stay tuned, like up the video, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell everybody about Life with NIQUE. All right, so big up on yourself all the time. We love you guys. We are out.